Hello, and welcome to my public service announcement presentation. Today, I'm going to be doing a public service announcement in addition to our handouts that you've received today, which are our fact sheets, and we're going to go ahead and jump into it. So what are we here for? Today I'm going to talk about a very serious issue facing our public health and our planet. Unfortunately, we face a plethora of contaminants and pollutants. One of those pollutants is called carbon monoxide. I'm sure everyone knows what it is at the very least, but carbon monoxide is a colorless, odorless, and tasteless gas that is poisonous to humans, animals, as well as our planet. And why should we be concerned? So, carbon monoxide is an extreme concern not only to the public, but to our planet as well. As concerned citizens and students, we must be aware of its hazardous potential. Each year, more than 430 people die of carbon monoxide poisoning, and more than 50,000 people visit the emergency department due to its effects. The most common symptoms include dizziness, headaches, disorientation, impairment of the cerebral function, coma, disease of the heart and respiratory system, muscle weakness, muscle cramps, seizures, nausea, and an aggravation of pre-existing diseases. So that's kind of a run-through of what's going on over here on the side in the picture. So, are there adverse effects on the planet? Now that we have discussed the adverse effects on human health, let's discuss the potential harm to animals as well as our planet. Unfortunately, due to its nature, carbon monoxide does not give Mother Nature a break either. Aside from being a common pollutant that reaches our atmosphere through greenhouse gases, the most common coming from vehicles such as cars, trucks, and other machinery, carbon monoxide can be released naturally by volcanoes, smoke from forest fires, and even lightning. So what are the effects? Now that we've discussed how this pollutant affects the Earth and its inhabitants, let's break down what exactly it does. I'm sure you're already concerned just by knowing that there's a potential for harm, but the following facts are even more poignant. While many pollutants contribute to the greenhouse effect, carbon monoxide is one of the biggest problems and one of the biggest contributors to the greenhouse effect. By causing a global temperature rise, ice caps melting, and the release of potential poison, this pollutant is an extreme issue. So what is being done, and what can we do? The first step in reducing production of man-made carbon monoxide is obvious yet hard to get a real control over. By eliminating unnecessary use of fossil fuels, reducing our carbon footprint, and other cutbacks, we can hope to slow the production of this pollutant. The bigger picture consists of agencies such as the EPA that introduce laws and acts to prevent further damage. Under the Clean Air Act from the EPA sets standards and reviews them for CO in outdoor air. Monitoring our usage of machines and other CO-producing equipment can also improve our chances of lowering the risk of its effects. And then on this last page, I do have a picture of the handout that you received that has 10 additional facts about carbon monoxide itself and what it does to our planet and our bodies. And then on the last page, we just have our references, and thank you so much for coming.